Hi and welcome back. We thought to give you some ideas regarding Easter dinner, so we will start with our first appetizer, which is ham roll with horseradish and cheese cream. For this recipe we use plain flour, milk, cheese, horseradish, butter, ground pepper, salt, bell pepper, sliced ham, mustard, vegetable oil, eggs, and fresh parsley. We start by making our mayonnaise. We break an egg and we separate the egg yolk. We add the egg yolk to a bowl and we add the mustard. We whisk it well and gradually we incorporate the oil. Be careful not to break it. Whisk in the same direction. We season with salt and ground pepper, and we are done. So now we make a basic bechamel or white sauce. We add the butter to a pot and we wait until it melts. We add the flour and we mix it well while adding the milk until we get a nice smooth sauce. If the sauce is too thick, you can add some heated milk until you get the right consistency. When done, we wait until it gets colder and we add it to the mayonnaise. We continue by adding the horseradish and we mix it well. And last we add some cheese. You can use whatever kind of cheese you like. Our cream is done, so now we add a small amount on top of a slice of ham. We roll the ham and we are done. We ornate with some thin slices of bell pepper and some fresh parsley leaves. You can see it's quite easy to make and it's a refreshing and delicious appetizer. Give it a try and let us know what you think. If you liked our video, then please subscribe, like, or leave a comment below.